I ain't drunk. I'm just drinking.
But you're so high.
Oh man, you know I ain't high.
But you're so high.
Yeah, well I just take a little sip every now and then.
But you're so high.
You ought to be ashamed of
Stay
yourself.
drunk all
Oh,
the
come on now,
time.
you all don't feel like that.
All right, kids, let's test this baby out. We've got the Moka Jadina with the HeadHunter modification. So 2 of the props are upside down in the back. Got the Runcam Eagle 2 in here. I'm actually running good old-fashioned Sunny Sky Racing Edition. Nothing fancy there. I didn't have my new motors in for it yet because I had a bad X hover motor. So we're going to go ahead and plug this puppy in and just do a test. Now, we do have the rear motors tilted forward, so there's always going to be a forward motion, which is fine with me. So let's see what happens. Just do a quick line of sight here. Bam! There we go. Hope it works. All right. Here we go. Nice. Let's have a look at this guy. Now these motors aren't anything to get excited about. They're okay. Yeah. I like it. Jadina HeadHunter. And people always want to know, how do you land a HeadHunter? Now my normal HeadHunter is the Simplex Pros. The rear blades are off the ground a lot more than this one. This one not so much, so you have to be a little bit more careful. I just usually just disarm right above the ground. So we're always going to have that forward motion. Makes for a fast bird. Very fast. Wow. A little line of sight, nothing fancy. And I am in angle mode. I'm not that good. All right, looking good. See, that's how I disarm and land a HeadHunter. No harm done. No harm, no foul. Look, blades are perfect. Bam. Moka Jadina.
Bam, JJ! Bam, JJ! Hope you like fishing.